Welcome back, grade 7. Again, I'm Teacher Gypsy and I'm here to guide you in answering your Activity 1 to 3, Quarter 1, Week 5A. With the lesson, Forms of Rational Numbers, Addition and Subtraction of Rational Numbers. Let's proceed to Activity 1, which is entitled Addition and Subtraction of Fractions. Here is the direction. Perform the indicated operations and express your answer in simplest form. Example number 1. 811 plus 411 is equal to, since they have the same denominator, we just copy the denominator and perform the operation, which is addition. So 8 plus 4, it is equal to 12 over 11 or 1211. Another example, 619 minus 419 is equal to, again, they have the same denominator, that's why we remain 19 there. And then, just subtract 6 minus 4. It is equal to 2 over 19 or 219. Very easy, right? Another example. What if we have 3 different fractions? 3 halves plus 4/3 plus 5/6. So we need to get the LCD of 2, 3, and 6. The LCD of these 3 numbers is 6. 6, we have here 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3 times 3. We have there 9. 6 divided by 3 is 2 times 4 is equal to 8. 6 divided by 6 is 1 times 5. We have there 5. Did you get it? Okay. So the next step is we need to add them. So 9 plus 8 plus 5, we have 22, and then the denominator is 6. Then get the simplest form of this fraction. We have here 11/3. Okay? Did you get it, guys? So let's proceed to the fourth example. We have here mixed numbers 2 and 1/5, 2 over 2 1/5 minus 1 and 1/6. So we multiply there and then add. So 5 times 2, 10, plus 1, we have there 11. We have now an improper fraction. Okay, then 6 times 1 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Then we need to get the LCD of these 2 fractions. The LCD of 5 and 6 is 30. Divided by 5 is 6 times 11, we have 66. Minus 30 divided by 6 is 5, times 7, we have there 35. And then perform the indicated operation, which is subtraction. So we need to subtract 66 minus 35, we get 31. Then the denominator is 30, still the denominator is 30. We have now the answer 31 over 30. Another example. Example number 5. Okay. So we have the 1/5 plus 1 and 1/4 we get the improper fraction of the second fraction, yung 1 and 1/4. So, we multiply and add. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1, we have there 5. Okay? Then, get the LCD of it. We have there 20. So, 20 divided by 5 is 4, times 1 is 4. 20 divided by 4 is 5. Times 5, we have 25. And then, perform the indicated operation, which is addition. So, 4 plus 25, we have 29 over 20. So, let's proceed to activity 2, addition and subtraction of decimals. Here is the direction. Perform the indicated operations. Okay, example number 1 for activity 2. We are now in decimals. Yeah. So 1 and 6 hundredths plus 2 and 64 hundredths. So here is we're going to write these decimals. This is how we're going to write these decimals. 1 and 6 hundredths plus 2 and 64 hundredths. Ayan, so 6 plus 4 is 10. Ayan, we write 0 there and then carry 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. Then copy the decimal point. 1 plus 2 is 3. So that's the answer. Very easy. Example number 2. 7 and 4 tenths minus 1 and 43 hundredths. This is how we're going to write these decimals. Okay. We add there 0. Okay. So 0 carry 1. We borrowed 1 there to make it 10. Ayan. So, 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. Ayan. So, since 1 na lang ang natira doon, minus 1 is 3. 3, we need to borrow 1 again from 7. We have there 13. 13 minus 4, we have 9. Since minusan natin yung 7 ng isa, we have 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1. Ayan, so 6 minus 1, the answer is 5. So 5 and 97 hundredths. Another example. 10 plus 3 and 26 hundredths minus 1 and 62 hundredths. Ayan. We add zeros there. Perform first the addition. So 0 plus 6 is 6. 0 plus 2 is 2. 0 plus 3 is 3. Then 1. So we have 13 and 26 hundredths minus 1 and 62 hundredths. 6 minus 2 is 4. 2. Borrow 1. We have there 12 minus 6 is 6. 2 minus 1 is 1. Then 1. So the answer of this equation is 11 and 64 hundredths. Another example. 7 and 1 tenths minus 2 and 3 tenths minus 4. So, we need to subtract first the numbers that is inside the parentheses. So, 7 and 1 tenths. Here is the solution. 1. Since 1 siya, we need to borrow 1 from 7. We now have 11 minus 3 is equal to 8. Copy the decimal point. Since nabawasan na yung 7 kanina, 6 na siya, minus 2 is 4. Then, subtract 4 and 8 tenths. minus 4. So 8 minus 0 is 8. Copy the decimal point. Then 4 minus 4 is 0. The answer is 0 and 8 tenths. So let's now proceed to activity 3, problem solving. Solve the following problem. Show your solution on the space provided and specify the units as indicated in the problem. Okay. Mang Milo wants to cover his land, which measures 34.5 meters by 52.5 meters long. How long will the fence be in order to cover the land? Here is the solution. So we need to add. But before that, we transform mixed number into improper fraction. So we have now, since 2 times 34 is 68 plus 1, 69 over 2, plus 2 times 52 is 104 plus 1, we have 105 over 2. And then the answer now is, we just add 69 plus 105, we have 174 over 2 or 87 meters. Another problem. My two brothers were comparing their heights. If Frankie had a height of 142 3/4 centimeter and Kiko's height is 142 1/2 centimeters, what would be their difference height? Okay, so we have here the solution. 142 3/4 minus 142.5. We convert it into improper fraction. We have 571 over 4 minus 283 over 2 is equal to, so we get the LCD of 4 and 2, we have 4. 4 divided by 2 by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1 times 571, we have 571. 4 divided by 2 is 2 times 283, we have 566. Then subtract, we have now 5/4 or 1 and 1/4 centimeters. So that's the difference height of Frankie and Kiko. Another problem solving. So here is the problem. Francis bought a shirt cost 249 and 5 pesos at the shopping mall. If he pays 500 pesos at the cashier, how much money did he left? Here is the solution. Okay, so 500 minus 249 and 5 tenths. And that's how we read it in decimal. Then subtract. Since 0 siya, we borrowed 1 from 5 there. We now have 10 minus 5 over 5. Then copy the decimal point. 9 minus 9 is 0. And then 9 minus 4 is 5. And then since nabawasan na ang 5, naging 4 na siya, 4 minus 2 is 2. We now have 250 and 5 tenths. So the answer is 250 and 5 pesos. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next virtual instruction. Thank you.